Hey everyone, I'm Anjali and welcome back to my channel Divine Ideas, and I'm back with another DIY video for you all, and I hope you all are doing well and fine. So in this video I will be sharing some gift ideas that you can share or you can give to your loved ones, that can be your friends, family, your colleagues and anyone. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. But before that, please do subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up. Comment in the comment section below and let me know that you are liking my videos and you're liking my work. So let's get into the video.
For the first DIY, I have taken these photo prints of the person whom I'm gonna give this. I've chosen some of her photos and got them edited from her app and got prints of it. I used these handmade earrings. I made them with the clay in my previous video. So for the link of this video, you can check my description box. These are the 3 earrings that I'm going to gift her. Now with the help of rubber and a compass, I'm going to make holes near to her ear so that it will look like she is wearing them. On the last picture, I'm making 4 holes, one above another, because the earring I'm gonna add to it have a different hook. Now I will add earrings on the pictures one by one. Here, as you can see, the hook of this earring is different from the other 2, and that's why I have made 4 holes on the picture. And our first handmade gift is ready. For the second DIY, firstly I folded a colored paper into half. Then I'm using here a base from a packet of bread, and I will cut the paper, leaving the extra space around the base. Now I have cut these shapes out of a paper and pasted accordingly to make a shape of an owl. A tiny owl is all ready to be pasted. Now on the same kind of base, I will write a message for the person. I sent this as a farewell gift, so that's why I'm writing here a miss you message. You can write whatever message you want. I kept it really simple. If you want to add anything, you can add it. And a second handmade gift card is also ready to be packed. Now I will take another colorful paper and place everything in the middle of it. Then I will apply glue to the 3 parts of the paper and fold it in this way. Seal the paper carefully and press each and every side of the paper. And let it dry for some time. Just to give a look to the folder, I'm going to cut the sides in this way. In the last, I'm going to tie it with jute twine just to give it a look. And if you want, you can add dried flowers on it, or you can add chocolates, a side note, or anything you love to make it more attractive. I sent it with a chocolate and a side note, and the reaction of the receiver was worth it. And if you guys want to know her reactions, comment down and I will post about it on my Insta.
Thanks for watching guys. I hope you loved the video, and yeah, if you did, so do subscribe to my channel, give this video a big thumbs up, comment in the comment section below, and yeah, see you in the next video. Till then, be creative. Bye.